SlipDoctors Ultra Grip is a two-component heavy-duty anti-slip epoxy coating designed for industrial and marine applications. Ultra Grip provides chemical resistance and high traction in wet and slippery areas, such as warehouses, marinas, manufacturing plants, and food processing facilities. It is resistant to grease, oil, salt, water, alcohol, and gasoline on concrete, diamond plate metal, wood, and other surfaces. Wear safety goggles and gloves when applying Ultra Grip and provide proper ventilation. Prepare Ultra Grip by pouring hardener, Part B, into the base, Part A. Slowly mix using a driller mixer until fully combined. Once mixed, the product will have a pot life of approximately 1 hour. Immediately after mixing, pour a ribbon of Ultra Grip onto the surface. Apply using a phenolic roller for a rigid surface or a squeegee for a smoother surface. Roll material only in one direction. Cure times vary depending upon surface temperature and substrate. Ultra Grip is available in a variety of colors and hardener options to meet your needs. Scan the QR code to download the technical data sheet to read application and safety information. Enjoy your new anti-slip surface by SlipDoctors. Don't slip, get a grip.